Hi, Jason with ICS. I want to briefly talk about a maintenance agreement and what you get for signing up with a maintenance agreement with ICS. So the first thing that you receive, of course, is the annual service visits. That's 2 to 4 times a year, depending on your package choice, where we'll come out, clean your equipment, and will inspect it, and then have the technician sit down with you and let you know any problems they might anticipate so that you as a homeowner can be proactive. The next thing that you're going to get, of course, is no destination diagnostic fee. The service trip charge is a standard charge for all HVAC companies nowadays, so that fee will always be removed no matter how many visits you have with us for as long as the agreement is active. Next, you're going to get a 10% discount on all parts and repairs. Lots of service calls are often repairs, and more often than not, there are parts that need to be replaced. So that 10% discount is just a nice little bonus on top of that. The next thing you're going to get is priority scheduling and extended appointment hours. So we will work with you more to meet your schedule to try and get our guys in there to perform the visit that they need to do so that you can relax and know that your equipment is in good hands. The last thing that you're going to receive is a 5% money back whenever you replace equipment with us here at ICS. What we'll do is we'll take a look at your history, how often you renewed your maintenance agreement with us, take all of the renewals for the lifespan that you've been with us as a client, and we will add it up, and 5% of that will go back into the cost of replacing a unit. That's a pretty nice thing to have, especially if your equipment has been running for 10, 15 years. You've had us for a while. It's just a nice little pad for your wallet at the end of the day, so that the cost of replacement doesn't hurt as much. But the most important part of a maintenance agreement is honestly the insurance. You're getting assurances that a licensed, trained professional technician is going to come to your house. He's going to look at your equipment, he's going to clean it, he's going to inspect it, and he's going to give you the best possible advice for how to move forward if you need to move forward on anything. It could be very possible that your equipment lasts its full lifespan without having a single hitch because of regular maintenance that keeps it clean, keeps it efficient. And one of the other things about efficiency as well is that when your equipment runs efficiently, you might notice that your power bills are not as high. Your equipment doesn't have to work as hard to give you the same kind of airflow that you're setting it for. So your energy bills are going to be low. Your equipment's going to last longer. So in the end, it's going to save you more money than you think. So consider a maintenance agreement with Integrate Comfort Systems. If you have any questions, you can always email or call us and ask for Jason, that's me, and I'd be more than happy to assist you with any questions that you may have.